The following is an urgent winter weather message for the following county: Western Greenbrier, West Virginia. Blizzard warning in effect from 10 a.m. Wednesday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations between 4 and 8 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Western Greenbrier County. When? From 10 a.m. Wednesday to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday. Impacts: expecting hazardous driving conditions with impacts to the Wednesday evening and Thursday morning commutes. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. The wind will cause blowing and drifting snow. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. The latest road conditions for the state you are calling from can be obtained by calling 511. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay in your vehicle. Here is a winter...
Can't believe I missed it, and it's not even picking up on... There we go. I cannot believe I missed that. Somehow. That's what I get for not paying attention.